Hi, welcome in Perfect Scores. Now I am giving a demo of vegetables multi-vendor e-commerce website. So in this website, their powerful feature is multi-vendor. So in bottom there is a multi-vendor become a vendor option are there. So user can means vendor can register here, and they are showing in admin side. In admin side there is option like a vendor. So every vendors if they are registered successfully are shown here. So that is our verified vendor. Okay. Now in this website there is homepage like a search homepage products most purchased product. It's vegetable amounts visited vegetables are there. So everything is dynamic. Phone number is dynamic, slider is dynamic. I'm searching a product like a mango. So in mango have multiple options. There is a feature in admin product images. So you can add a multiple product for a particular product. It's multiple image for a particular product. It's like a slider, image slider, like for a single for a product. So in this have a very option like a variants means that when you are buying any shoes other from other websites, there is option like color, weight, colors, size. Variants is like that. You can add a multiple. So there is option like a kilogram. You can buy the product in means if you want to increase the kg. You can just need to add. Need to select. So user can add the product here. There's the option means we select the feature like this. And there is edit. If you have if that is the optional. If you search other product, there is no there is size. If you want to search another, yeah, there is no feature. So you can just simply add. Yeah, simply add to click the add button. There is another option like a wish list. So for wish list, first you need to log in the account. So in this section have a registered guest user and login. I am logging. On other is like a Google, like a Google, login with Google and Facebook are there. It's working fine. You just need to add a secret key and need to insert secret key and app ID in your code, like here in our startup app. You just need to add app ID and secret key here. So then it will work properly. I tested it. It is working very good. Added in wish list. There is option like my account in wish list. Now it is added. Okay. In which in our account have a multiple feature like my profile, my orders. In orders you can track the order. You can check the invoice of the order, and the other feature like a gallery. In gallery have a filter option like you can filter the product according to a brand, category and price. And this have no any product, so I am just change. Now it's searched. The searched item is this. There is the other sort by latest popular rating and lot why there is the paging option are there. So yeah, it is very cool. So the most wonderful means most valuable feature is that when multiple vendor registered and they insert their product, so you user can buy the multiple vendor product in single cart. Means they can add multiple products in a single cart, and they will buy, so they can buy easily. There is a coupon code option are there. The payment gateway options are there. Gateway and cash on delivery also are there. So in this admin, there is a mail option, setting option. I because I just am logging the admin ID. Gateway option there is a I integrated four gateway: PayPal, Razorpay, ICICI, PayU, and selected only one. There is the currency option are there. You can add just change need to change the currency. Like at the moment but I published euro. Just other is disabled. You just need to add it and enable it. Brand, category, subcategory, products features. There is many options. Single product wise shipping charges, vendor, coupon slider, vendor sale, comment, product review. Product review means if a user commented any on product like that, rating 5, it is the item site is showing there. If it is valid, then you can approve. Otherwise, you can reject the comment of the user. Now I am buying the product. I'm selecting gateway. Integrated to customer gateway. So that is the feature of the website, and that is the menus, multiple menus. And now I'm logging the vendor ID. Try to log in vendor ID. Vendor name is the vendor name. There is option like a billing. Firstly, vendor is not a premium. After the billing, I added a member gateway here. So after the billing, they become a premium. There is a category option, subcategory, product. So if vendor create any product, only vendor product are shown to vendor. Not other products are shown here. So in admin, you saw there is lot of there is many product. In vendor side only one product because vendor inserted only one product. So vendor can add a multiple product here. So they can add a product image order. They can saw the product orders. So in the product order, there is a detail options. They can check the detail. So vendor can also check the sales, bank detail, and I'm trying to log in now. Ready? Order option. So we can check the full detail of the orders. Yeah, that is the our e-commerce portal. So thank you for watching.